Hey, my name's Jared. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of the AutoCane. This is a great device that's really handy with getting in and out of a car. Some individuals have difficulty getting in and out, and this can be helpful in some cases. This can hold about 300 pounds per the instruction manual. This actually will hook right into the little metal ring that's on the inside frame of a car door. Let's open this up. I haven't unboxed it yet, so we're going to take a look at it. So opening it up, it does have the metal hook here that goes right inside the ring inside the car door. It has a plastic handle which has some nice grip on here as well. That way it doesn't really hurt your hand if you grasp too tight. So it's pretty comfortable, and it has a non-grip surface here as well. This is something that you could always keep in your glove box or in a purse. Something that you can keep handy, so that way if you're needing it to get in and out of a car and you weren't anticipating it, you can just pop it out of your glove box, pop it out of your purse, and you'll have this handy. Once again, this can hold up to about 300 pounds, so it's very handy to help someone get in and out of the car. I would definitely recommend this, and this is something that I recommend people use inside my practice a lot.